Hey guys, I want to do a quick video on a question that I got recently on asking me what type of cracker can I consume, right? Well, there's a lot of crackers out there, but the best cracker that I'm going to recommend on a ketogenic diet is the Crisp Thin Rye Crispbread. Okay, so this cracker, I don't know exactly where you're going to find it, maybe a health food store, online, Amazon, but it's a whole grain rye, very small amounts of gluten, so if you're gluten sensitive, it might not be an option, but it has a smaller amount than other crackers. But look at the total carbs is 5 grams per slice, okay? Fiber is 1 gram, so we minus those, and we get the net carb of 4 grams. So that's not too bad. So you can add the sour cream, the cheese, the brie cheese, I like to add that, guacamole, hummus, and so if you wanted a cracker, this is the one I'm going to recommend in small amounts. I think it's going to be totally okay. Thanks for watching. Hey, you probably already subscribed, but if you haven't, press this little button down below and I will keep you updated.